Now we will be talking about how to withdraw crypto or send the crypto to someone else. So if you have already logged into your Coinbase account and if you have already purchased the crypto, then you will be clicking on send. Then you will select the crypto that you want to send and you have to enter the amount that you want to send and to whom do you want to send it. So like you cannot write anyone's name there. So if you are sending to any other Coinbase user, there you can enter his Coinbase email ID. But if you are sending it to any other wallet or any other exchange, then you have to enter the wallet address and be sure there shouldn't be any spelling mistakes in the wallet address. And also make sure that the chain of the crypto matches correctly or else you will lose your crypto amount. Additional information. If you buy any crypto from your bank, you won't be able to withdraw it instantly because it gets locked for 5 to 7 days. So in case you need to purchase and withdraw crypto quickly, you can do so using a debit card or PayPal wallet balance, etc. The limits on how much you can purchase from a particular payment method depend on how often and how much you buy and sell crypto and which methods you use, and based on that, your limits on Coinbase will increase. Now we will talk about how to receive crypto in your Coinbase account. So first you have to go inside Coinbase and there you see an option to receive. So click on receipts and then you have to select the crypto that you want to receive. And once you have selected the crypto that you want to receive, be sure that if there are multiple chains, you also have to select them correctly. Once you do that, you get your crypto address, and sometimes there are also addresses and memos. So in those cases, you have to copy both, and also you have the QR code that you can send to the other person, and the other person can send you the amount in crypto in your Coinbase account. If you haven't joined our YouTube community yet, I request you to join to support us. You can go to our YouTube channel and click on the join button and choose any tiers and join in. You will also get quite a lot of benefits from it. Firstly, you will get the access of the badges and custom emojis. You get highlighted on all comments, posts and live chats. There are posts and polls for members only. And you also get special early access to all videos prior to others. There's also a specific tab only for community members. Not only that, there's a huge lot of other benefits that you will get, showing you some of them as per tiers. So we request you to please join our YouTube community and support us to help us create more good contents for you. And at the last, we would like to thank you for your support. Hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave any comment below if you still have any questions or any suggestions on the videos or improvements that we can make. And share it with your friends, and hope we meet again soon on the next video. Till then, bye.